Go on, click the payments option around the left corner of your screen. Then select the payment links option over here. You will see a list of your available payment link. If you doesn't have any, you may tap on the create payment link button at the top right corner. I will leave my video about creating a payment link if you're interested. So you want to click on one of your payment link to open it. And click on buy button just right here. Here is your HTML embed code of your Stripe payment with the preview of it when you put on the link at your website or application. So click on the copy code to make it easy. You may also scroll down and select if you want it to have a picture or just a plain button. Well, you can also change the language too, or change the text of the button. Adjusting the style color of your card or button is also possible by switching on this toggle on this option. Don't forget to click on save button to save your progress. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.